pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting! They've locked onto us! Take evasive action! Ah, there it is! After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoon! Excellent! Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes! Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I grabbed the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can all move that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo's pretty shooting! Jump, my friends! Yes! We got the coaxium! I will grab it! You keep under the train! Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous! Things are getting too hot! I've got to get out of here! Yes! A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! Yeah, my boost! Let's get out of here! Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. Brave Blood Company. Chu is right. If we lead them back, they may find the resistance. You did it. Watch out! That's good. Great job, my friends. You retrieved 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.